Hey everybody, Ryan here with the Lawn Channel, and in today's video we're now 3 weeks out since I initially seeded the perennial ryegrass, and we have not fertilized yet. So today I think I'm going to put out some fertilizer. I'm going to spray it down, actually, called ProSol. It's a water soluble fertilizer. It's a 20-20 ratio. Let me see. So this stuff is a 20-20 ratio. I'm gonna put it out at about 1 pound per thousand, which gives us about 0.2 pounds of nitrogen per 1,000 square feet. We've got 2,000 square feet. So normally when you spray, you don't wanna go crazy like you do with a granular. Normally it's pretty fast acting. So with this especially, we don't wanna put out like a pound of nitrogen because it would all go down very fast. All right, so just to give you an idea of what this fertilizer looks like, it's actually blue. Comes with like its own dye worked into it, so you can kind of see where you're spraying. In my experience, you can't really see the dye on the turf. It's more of just seeing that something blue is coming out of your sprayer. All right, so we've got our scale here. Let's put our measuring thing on here and go ahead and zero that out. So by putting the measuring cup on here and zeroing it out, we can remove this, and now it goes into the negative on the number. So it's at -4 ounces, and then you put that back on, it's back to 0. So that allows us to scoop and do whatever we need to do. So we want to get 2 pounds of fertilizer. So we just got to scoop, and we're at 1 pound and 5 ounces. Let's see what this gets us. So all right, 2 pounds and 0.5 ounces. So that is what we will put into the sprayer now. All right, so I got my drill with my paint mixer. I've got my fertilizer, and I'm gonna put it in here. I've got it filled up about halfway, and then once we mix this in, we'll fill up the rest of the way. No matter what's in store, all right, as you can see, it's about halfway filled up. Go ahead and fill it up to the top now. I never ever want to be apart from all the things that you do. All right, so we got it mixed up now. Necessarily don't want this blue dye to get on my shirt or my hoodie here. So I'm not gonna wear the strap. I think I'm just gonna hold it and spray and hope for the best. And hopefully, because it's been a while since I've actually sprayed with this, hopefully I've still got my speed down and everything down, because once I built the walk behind sprayer, really haven't used this very often for broadcast applications. So you see all this right here? That is from the dog, and if you look out, you can see other spots like that, but she's been coming out here and pooping. Case in point. And peeing and all that stuff, and has really wreaked havoc on this area of the lawn. So I've just kind of come to the realization that I don't know what I'm gonna be able to do about that. Just have to live with it. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Looks rough right now because of the dog pee and poop, but hopefully with the fertilizer application, we're gonna try to mow it either tomorrow, which is Monday, or Tuesday, and make it look really nice. And maybe, probably won't get to mow it again before Halloween because we got a lot of rain and storms coming back in. Just the dog's causing problems. Guys, if you have any other suggestions for me as a new person to oversee, let me know if something I need to do differently as far as maintaining the grass throughout the fall and winter months. Please let me know. Guys, also you can check the website, thelawnchannel.com. You can buy some coffee mugs, t-shirts, a hoodie like this one right here. So if you're interested in any of that, that's on the website. Yeah, I think that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'll have another one out shortly. See you later.